What's good? What's good? What's good, everybody? What's up? What's up? What's up? 3 to the 1 from the 1 to the 3. You clicked on Jdun Trades, and now you're choosing to live in DOD. Let's go. What's good? What's good? Hello, 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 everybody. Let's see. Here we go. We got that. All right, let's go. Good morning, TikTok. This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's get it. Good morning. It's a good day for a good day. It's a good day for a good day. Have we switched? I don't think so. I don't believe. We'll have to double check. I was running a little late this morning. The kid had a longer morning than usual. How's everybody doing this morning? You guys have a good weekend? You guys all have a nice weekend? You guys choose DOD? Waving at you from Clearwater Beach, Florida. Let's go. Good morning. Good morning, Florida. I bet it's a little warmer there than it is here. I got snow outside. What's up, Teflon? Pram, the winning streak starts today. Let's go, baby. We're going to have ourselves a winning day today. I can feel it. I can feel it in my bones. I can feel it shivering in my bones. Through my bone marrow. I love bone marrow. Back tested all weekend. Need to get that confidence up. Let's go. Good deal. $560 down to $470. Damn, we pretty much trended up all morning after that initial push. Boom, retest here, move up. All right, let's see here. We got ourselves a good day out. I can feel it. I can feel it. Our trend pre-market has been primarily up. I'm going to watch for us to hold this like 570 to 600 area. Let's see how that winds up here. $15 minutes having a little trouble. It should automatically update in your trading view. It's my birthday. Happy birthday. Jesus saves me over and over. Was scheduled to go see the Warriors and Wizards tonight. Curry's not playing. And now there's a massive storm/tornado warning. Probably going to have to cancel it. I'm sorry. That sucks. I don't trade SPY a whole lot. No. need my coffee. I got my coffee early today. Jdun is in the house. Jdun is in the house. At your service. As far as our higher time frame levels go, too, I don't have a ton that I love on the forefront. We've been on a steady downtrend. We don't have a lot of clear supply. And we have a little supply at 800, I guess. If we can build above this 800, I think we have a pretty clear shot into the 900s and then 25,000. Besides that, I don't have a whole lot that these higher time frames are telling us. Not a whole lot. Yeah, the new contracts are NQM6. $25K has that dad strength all month, man. All month it's just been tough. TradingView hasn't updated these yet. Don't worry. If I go long, it's the same deal. Long or short. We don't have a whole lot fueling us on the daily either. We don't have a ton of confirmation on the daily. You would have thought, you know, honestly, this is a little upsetting. If you guys are looking at my screen, Zoom. I'm sharing. Okay. It looked like we were pushing down. Another aggressive push down. Higher volume on that push. I'm going to use this on the chart, actually. We had higher volume on that push as well. And then we're just buying it right back up. What is that? So it's, I swear, I finally thought we were maybe, just maybe, if we asked really nicely, we're going to see this range flush to the downside and get some continuation down right back into this range, it looks like. We'll see. Today and tomorrow will be really big deciding days. Yeah, I wish they'd come back. Let's see here. I don't want the earnings calendar. This is what I wanted. We do have some data today. No, we don't. We don't have any more. Take that back. This is a pretty light week on data as a whole. We have PPI on Wednesday, new home sales on Thursday, and initial jobless claims. Not a whole ton, though. Dash 16. All right, data is up in our news, events, and more section. Our data is up, everybody. Guys, the new contracts are NQ M6. My trading view is not updated. So if you have different numbers on yours, it's not a huge deal, guys. On my Edge Pro, I'm trading the NQ M6. That's what I pulled up. On my trading view, it has the old contracts up, it looks like. Do I wear Ralph Lauren hats? Not really. I mean, nothing against them, just not really my style. We got 2 minutes to open, y'all. Gonna trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused this week. Ended the week with a banger last week, too. We have FOMC. That doesn't do anything nowadays, though. It ain't how it was back in 2023. Those days are over. You guys remember back in 2023, 2024 when FOMC just went crazy? I remember those good days. Those were the good old days. I don't think you can. I think TradeView updates on its own. We're going up and open. I could see it. FOMC and roll week. That means we just take the week off, right? Markets open, everybody. Let's focus up. Trade smart, trade safe, and choose DOD. There we go. Good morning, Team Boy. I appreciate y'all being here trading with me. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. All right, guys, let's get it. Good morning, everybody. It's a good week to choose DOD. Take steps forward in your trading, and I want you guys to focus on one thing you can do better. Maybe that's your patience. Maybe it's your impulsivity. Maybe it's revenge trading. Maybe it's your sizing your trades. Maybe it's number of trades. Whatever it is, I want you to pinpoint one thing you guys can improve on this week and execute on it. Pre-market low, pre-market high, VWAP, and POC. Okay. Yeah, Grizzly had some family stuff to take care of today, so he'll be back tomorrow. Grizzly had to travel back from his trip early. Am I still doing the school today? I think so. It's crazy you remember that. Good memory. Good memory. What's up, B Rose? What's good, everybody? Yeah, Judge Jdun's coming out today. Judge Jdun is coming out today. All right, everybody, let's wait and see what they give us today. Our Q levels are marked. Now we're going to wait and find out. I bring out Paydung because I did my taxes and sat. Yeah, I feel you, bro. We're above pre-market high. We'll see how we react up here. See how we react up here. It is a Monday, so I'm going to wait very patiently. Wait the first 15 minutes. Let these candles form. Let's go see what Tesla's doing too. Got to check on our baby Tesla. Of course. I can't forget about. She got me a lot of my biggest days. Not my biggest day, but a lot of my biggest days have came from Tezzy, baby. Jdun, how do you feel about the difference in volume on the two contracts? I usually don't roll over till the new contracts volume is bigger than the olds, but I'd love to hear your opinion. For the amount of size I trade, it doesn't really matter. But when they roll, I prefer to trade the new contracts. I trade price action. Yeah, I use the 15-minute high and low for confirmations, but I trade price action. Spy got my biggest day. It's 15 minutes looking strong too. Above this pre-market high. We got to close here. We'll see how we react in this like 750 to 800 area. We were uptrending all morning. We had a brief, once Asia opened, we had a brief push down. Right back up. The only thing I don't love is if you guys look at my daily chart, for those who are just joining, I really thought we were going to get a push down out of this range. We had this strong candle here, push down, strong hammer to the downside, strong volume, right back up so far. It'd be great for the bears if we could wick this all the way down and close weak, but we'll see what they give us. I'm trading the new contracts, guys. TradingView hasn't updated yet. So we're back right into our lovely zone. Once this breaks, though, it's gonna be nasty. Once we finally get this break, she's gonna be vicious. If we ever get it. Kidding, we're obviously gonna get it at some point, but it's just a matter of when. NQM6 is the new contracts. NQM6. I do prefer shorts. I love shorts. Yeah, we haven't really be rogue. It's because the market hasn't been trending. It's really only valid on aggressive trends. That's why the two bar isn't my main strategy. It's just a setup you can use on trending days that you want to catch a trend you're not getting a full retracement on. So what I like to let people know is I don't just only trade two bars. It can be a good setup that you look for and that catches you trends, but in order to get that, you got to have a trend. Yep, you got to pair it with other confluences too. All right, you have 5 more minutes till we're 15 minutes in. I'm just going to wait and stay patient and choose DOD. Use the same discipline I use in my everyday life. How do I update my NASDAQ and TradingView? Where does it do that? Mine hasn't updated. I got it on my Edge Pro, my Tradeovate, but not on my TradingView. I think it'll update tonight. All right, let's see here. VWAP is way low. We got a divergence. Someone's lying. Someone's capping, huh? We are still in this 15-minute range. So we'll wait and see. Oh, whew. Yeah, that's what I thought the rollover was technically tomorrow. That's what I thought too. I appreciate y'all being here. And as a reminder, if you're trading with prop firms, I appreciate you using code Jdun. Get the best possible discount and get payout protection. The new NQ ticker is NQM6. Hey, Jdun, I've been watching you for a while now, and I've been seeing real improvement with my trades. Thank you for everything, DOD. Let's go. It's awesome, bro. That's amazing. I just realized you were WAP's #1 creator when they popped out. That's so sick, bro. Don't even talk to me about WAP. You know, they offered me equity when they first came out, and I said no because I was mad at them. You know how much that'd be worth right now? Don't talk about that, bro. That's pain. I was their first big trading community. I've been in this game for a long time. I've been trading for almost 10 years in May, but I've been online for like 5 years. I never planned on having any social following or anything like that. All right, let's see if we can finally get a close here that's worth a damn. Got our 15-minute ranging, guys. Let's see if we can finally get a close here that's worth a damn on the 5-minute or the 15. I got my coffee. We're good. It's still kicking in. It's still kicking in. I'm unbiased right now. I don't have an opinion on where the market's going to go. I don't have an opinion on where the market is going to go. I'm late to the game, to the Jdun game, but I'm glad I made it. You made a huge difference in my trading and every day. Thank you, bro. It means a lot, man. $668, $688. See if we can get a strong candle here, then a pullback. I'm open to taking some longs if we can get a strong close here, and then a pullback down. We got 2 more minutes on this candle, guys. On the new contracts, the area I'd be watching to long, if we can get a solid close above like 934 on new contracts, guys, would be around like 900 to like 920, but it looks like we might not get it. So if we don't get that close up there, then I don't take the trade. All right, we're not going to get that close, huh? Huh. It's a tough candle. So we're above. Actually, we're not above pre-market high. Not in new contracts. Don't know. Yeah, I'm trading. If I take a trade, it's on the new contracts, on Trade of 8 or on Edge Clear or Edge Pro. Like this setup looked decent, but it a little different than 35. It's weird. We're below the pre-market high on the new contracts, but above on the old. There we go. That makes more sense. My charts were bugging out for a second. I got them fixed. There we go. I'm not fully bought in on the longs quite yet. We're testing this pre-market high, but still in this first 15-minute range. Not in love quite yet with what we're seeing. Do I wait for a breakout of that fair? I don't really trade quote unquote fair value gaps. I mean, sometimes I'll take a trade in them, but I don't trade ICT. I like to actually make money. I like to poke fun at the ICT. You guys know that I have to. Come on. Thoughts on TJR getting exposed? I care more about my own pockets than another grown man's. I don't pay attention to drama. I pay attention to winning. He's always been nice to me, so. You won't catch me spreading drama about another grown man. If you guys want that, you can head on over to CNN or Fox News. Or Facebook. Lots of drama on Facebook. We don't play politics here. He's always been nice to me, so. Pocket watching grown men is crazy. Still waiting, guys. Still waiting. I have no confirmations of trades yet. And what am I supposed to do with this candle? What is that? That is horrible. I know there were some other traders I know that said they were going to wait till tomorrow to trade for the contract rollover or the volume to completely switch. Might not be a bad idea. We'll see. I'm not opposed to taking a trade today. Just not saying I'm not going to trade. Just may not be a bad idea. We'll see. Could bring out options done. I'm actually thinking about, I think I'm going to get into selling options too. I've been needing to do it for a long time. It just takes bankroll to do. Like if you want to make significant money selling options, you need a 6-figure account. You can do a little bit with like 25K or 50K, but if you want to make actual significant money, you need a 6-figure account. Do I have any big ballers here that sell options? We got any big ballers here that sell options? Any six-figure sellers? I do all the time. Yeah, you got to think about it. What do they say about options? Well, pretty much every trader, like 90% of people lose, right? 95% of people lose. Well, who wins when option premiums go down? Option sellers do. That's why you see people that have a lot of money do very well if you know what you're doing on option selling. It's less returns. But if you have, 500K and you get, 10%, it's a lot of money. That's like 50K. I do wheel constantly throughout. In the worst case, you end up with shares. That's why you have to have bankroll. If the trade doesn't go your way, you have to be able to purchase the shares. Generate a good income on selling options, about 2% a week. Nice. That's great. Sounds like you know what you're doing. We're still holding this pre-market high and this 15-minute high, everybody. So I'm just waiting. I really don't like where we are on the daily chart at all, even a little. Ticker, the NASDAQ. NASDAQita. NASDAQita is what we're trading. Oh, is it only 20%? I guess Vanquish is only 20%, but you can get funded with options trading. Love Vanquish. You can use code Jdun, just like with Apex, Alpha Futures, FFF, and Tradeify. What the hell is that candle? What the heck is that? This market's going to be on the games, huh? We got to close above the 15-minute high and pre-market high. Let's see what that looks like. Actually, don't hate this idea. Let's see what the low here is. 83. I don't hate the idea of longs. I wanted to see us push down. Not yet. Passed my first ever Tradeify eval. Let's fucking go DOD, baby. Let's go. All right, let's see here, guys. Touch pre-market low. I don't like this contract difference, though. I have not taken a trade yet, guys. It's Monday, so I'm always a little more hesitant, too. I was watching for that 900 area. This chart, I'm on the new contracts, not here, not on these. We got down to like 912. I wanted us to test that. That pre-market higher on like 900 with stops below like 875. We just didn't quite get down there on the new contracts. I wanted to see this 9. Ignore the chart on the screen. If you're on the new contracts, I wanted to see this like 900 area, but not sure they're going to give it. I may just wait till our contracts roll. We'll see. Because we'll be back in 2 seconds. Don't you dare make a move without me, Nasdaq. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Oh. I don't know how much I like this chart yet. We bounced this area. Doff? Discipline over food? Something. Sometimes. You saw your crypto account? Yeah, right. Honestly, I haven't even been checking. I haven't been really buying any crypto. I am still as cash heavy as I've ever been. It's actually not doing bad today. Guys, our contracts on TradingView haven't rolled yet, so that's why your chart probably looks a little different than mine. You can't. It's just NQ. It'll update tomorrow. Let's see if it works. Oh, maybe this does work. Maybe you just taught me something. Oh, let's go. Shout out Rich. Rich and knowledge. All of our trading views. Our edge clear is good. Our trade of it's good. We got our contracts rolled. I'm only slightly silly. There we go. Let's go. There we go. That makes things a little easier. Banger trade. I didn't take a trade, but thank you. No, I didn't take this trade. I would have, if we would have gotten down to like 900, I was looking for that down here. But we didn't get down there, so I didn't take any trades. All right, guys, here's the deal. We got like 1,400 y'all in here on YouTube, and we got 150 likes. How is that possible? Let's get them like numbers up, baby. Smash that like button if you're choosing DOD. If you get value from these streams, let's get it. Tap that thumbs up, and same deal if you're on TikTok. Tap that screen over and over. Let's get to 20K likes. I know you got it in you. This setup actually didn't look half bad either. With this candle here, my contracts were all goofed up. But Tesla had a really nice opening range today too. Very perfect opening range breakout mixed with the 2-bar. That would have been nice. Now, this actually wasn't a bad setup in here. I just, with our contract rollover, had me all goofed up. Man, I miss it when you were in your mom's house building yourself. What a memory. So back when I was 17, you were spying on a minor? That's kind of weird, bro. I moved out of my mom's crib right after I turned 17. It's a little weird, but whatever, man. Do your thing, I guess. Oh, man, that would have been the one. Right back here, this would have been the one right in here. Between pre-market high, 15-minute high, stops below like here, that would have been the one. I would have rather seen us test to 900, but hey, Nigel, that's awesome, bro. I'll probably call it here. Been averaging 36K per week's payouts. 36K per week payouts hitting base hits. Oil me up. You know what? For those payouts, I will oil you up. That's dope. Oh, y'all are too funny. Guys, I'm still waiting on a A+ setup, everybody. I didn't hate this setup here, but with the contract rollover, it had me all back and forth. So just waiting. 24,948. We're touching Grizzly's supply zone, or his indicator supply zone, I should say. I would have loved to have seen us sweep 25,000 and then start making a move down. That would be ideal situation. Doesn't look horrible for a reversal up here. Just want to see a little more confirmation. Just going to wait. Oh, no, I think Thinkorswim's good. Doing what it's supposed to. I mean, I haven't taken any trades on it, so I guess from a trading standpoint, I wouldn't know, but seems to be doing what it's supposed to. I'm already logged in, so I guess I wouldn't know. NQ, MNQ, M6. Still just waiting, everybody. No new trades, no trend, no deep retracement for longs, no trade. Coffee's kicking in. Bearish divergence. Let's see. Come on, give me something. Give me Papa something. We're literally right back in that range on the daily. Look at that. Literally right back in this, whatever this is, this mess. The 5 minute says shorts. Based on these last two candles, I don't love that last candle's volume. 15 minute is back and forth. 1 minute says a lot. I was literally about to try a piece of shorts too. But I was like, oh, I'm going to wait for this 5 minute candle to seal to more wick. And it's a good thing that happened. I was literally just about to do it. It's probably like 10 seconds away. Not anymore. Yeah, I think we want to magnet that 25,000. That's kind of what was holding me back too. The 5 minute chart looks good. These are two reversal candles. I swear, and I would have had my stops above that candle. So if we would have went up, wicked that, and then moved down, I would have been very sad, to say the least. This PA will clap your account if you're not careful. Oh. So people get mad at me for not trading a lot. It's like, dude, I'd rather have quality trades than quantity of trades. I know that doesn't fix the dopamine itch, but it gets you paid. You can fix your dopamine itch spending your money elsewhere. Dude, it snowed like 6 inches here yesterday, and it's going to be 90 degrees on Friday. Like, what? How crazy is that? Friday and Saturday is going to be like 85, 90. And it snowed here, like 6 inches at my house. I didn't change my strategy. I trade price action. I'm just waiting. People are saying TOS is bugging. Still nothing for me. What am I supposed to do with this price action? The only entry I see that would have technically fit the system is this pullback right here. But my contracts were all bugging. So right here was the only one. Up here, I got nothing. I wanted to try a short entry up here with this 5-minute chart, but I don't like that we have 25,000 right above. Yeah, we might see a slow, steady grind up. Come on, baby. Give it to Mr. DOD and the DOD Padawans. Now I'm so ready for this daily chart to get out of this range. Literally so ready. It is horrible, guys. I mean, intraday price action has had its ups and downs, but when you have a daily chart that looks like this is awful. This is absolutely awful. Look at that. Disgusting. Just right in this range for weeks. For weeks. How do I update my chart? Well, shout out to someone in chat. I typed in NQM 2026. I'm going to have a crazy week of workouts, too. I'll tell you all that right now. My discipline's going to be locked in this week, which means it's going to follow through to my trading. Putting that into existence right now. Even if today doesn't give me a trade, this week's going to be a banger. Yep, you just type it in. Yo, if you're on TikTok and new, I appreciate you being here. First off, make sure if you guys are getting value from this, if you guys have made some money with me in the past month, or you're looking to make money with me, tap that screen over and over, hit that like button, hit that follow button in the top left corner. And if you're on YouTube, same deal. I appreciate y'all hitting that like button and that subscribe and joining me every single morning. You can get full screen share on YouTube, Jdun Trades, if you're on the TikTok. Jdun Trades. All of them. All of them are incoming. I wonder if Brandon took these shorts up here. Seems like his type of trade. I bet he did. Well, he did not. Damn. I would have thought he did, honestly. Guess I don't know my friend that well. I don't hate the shorts. $80. 5 minute looks decent. Let's see this 950. Man, that was what I was semi-thinking. Just wanted a little more confirmation. Man. We touched 900. Let's see if we can flush this and then wick back up. Dun, 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 dun. Attaboy, GC. I'm watching this area down here, everybody. It's a tough candle to short for sure. Or to long, excuse me, to long. We got aggressive move off supply, another aggressive candle. I like the area, but it's really, really tough. That's why I wanted to see us wick down into here and then aggressively wick back up. $9.36. I'm not sure I am. Not with how this candle structure looks on both the 5-minute and the 15-minute. I almost am tempted to look for a retest back up to market high and look for shorts like 900 with stops above 936. I'm trying to piece of shorts up here, guys, at 900 to 910 with stops at 936. This is the area I like here, 900 to 910. Stops at like 936. Just trying. Come on. Just trying. Let's see if we can get a little more push. My stops are at 936. I'll take a loss if I hit 936, everybody. What's up, Gene? What's up, dog? Nothing, just tried some shorts up there. 900 to 910. Come on. Push it down. Come on. Push it down. Push it down. Come on. Come on. I'm moving my stops down to this wick high, everybody, above 912. So I'll be red if we stop out, but very slightly. So I just moved my stops down to above 912. So come on. I want to see us flush this candle low right here at 873. You can feel free to trim if you'd like. Down here in the low 880s. Taking some off down here in the 70s, guys. I'm trimming some down here, guys. My stops move to break even. Let's go. Come on. Yeehaw, baby. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Die. Woo. Come on, baby. Stops at break even. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Let's actually go ahead and let's move him a little lower. Let's put him at 8.95. Took off partials on this move down. I'd like to see the rest have continuation to the downside. Come on. Let's go. We want more. Shorts, 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 shorts. Move. Come on, baby. We want more. Come on. Guys, I said I was in shorts probably 5 times. That's all I was watching for. Look at this, Gene. Look at that, baby.
Get away from me.
Look at that.
Nope, I won't say get away from me.
You're mad at me?
Yeah.
You're mad at Gene's mad at me. Jdun did not give me the signal. Guys, there's 2 different contracts right now. That I don't know what else to say. We want more. We literally touched on the new contracts up 900 to 910 with stops at 936. Come on. We want more. We want more, baby. Come on. We want more out of this, baby. Come on, baby girl. Oh, we needed this win to start the week. I know. I hope so. We're going to win on a Monday. That's got to mean something. It's got to mean something, right? We need some Monday positive energy flowing, guys. Monday positive energy. If you guys made some money on that with me, if you're still holding, or if you even scalped it, how much we making on a Monday? Talk to me, baby. Baby boy, baby girl, how much we making? How much you guys making on that trade? Come on. Talk to me. Even base hits. How much did you guys make on that trade with me? 200, 160, 363, 250, 200, 300, 500, 760, 1K, 160, 800. I love the base hits. 300, 742, 195, 368, 566, 180, 780. Let's go. We're back. The DOD train's moving, baby. Come on. Let's go. My price target here is our opening range low at 835. That's what I'd like to see, everybody. So far, you got about 50 points depending on your entry. We want more. I'd like to see 835. Come on. Let's go, baby. Yes. That is exactly what I wanted to see. Literally to a T. Come on. Let's go, baby. The most important part here is you guys understand why we took that trade. We had aggressive candles down with volume confirming. We had our pre-market high here. We also had our point of control here. So when we retested, this is the area I tried shorts in with stops above this candle high. Now, I'd like to see this trend. I'd like to see us go below low a day. Let's go. Hopefully help some of y'all pass your evals or make progress on your fundeds. Like literally no drawdown on that trade. None. Well, maybe like if you enter 900, you had like 9 points drawdown. So I guess that's not technically true. All right, guys. I asked for our little secret sauce from the plug. I just asked the plug for our Team Bowl secret sauce. If you know, you know, and if you don't know, well, then you just don't know. I just hit up the plug to re-up. Thanks, bro. So I don't know if the plug's going to be up yet, but I did hit the plug up to re-up. So. No, please do not go stop out my runners. I'm the only man well. What you say? This 15-minute actually looks like it wants continuation to the downside too. This 15-minute looks really good for continuation to the downside. See if the market wants to play games or not. Because if you guys have them too, I'd love to see you guys post your gains. Love to have you guys post your gains in the post your gains section. I love seeing it. It's inspiring to me. It's inspiring to others. What you say? My Tradeify select accounts are cooking too. Guys, I promise, I swear on everything I love, I will have that video up this week. I'm doing a side-by-side comparison of Apex and Tradeify, firms that I've been paid out a lot of money by both of. And I'm also going to be including in that a Trade of 8 tutorial on copy trading. How to link your accounts together. I promise, I swear to you guys, I know I've said it in the last 2 weeks. I promise I will have it done this week. I promise. No, Aaron, those went away a hot minute ago. I do have 20 PAs, just not those ones. Ooh, what you say? What you say? Come on, 8:35. This 15-minute looks great for continuation of the downside, guys. If the market would actually do what it's supposed to and trend properly, it looks great. Nice, Pram. Good start to the week, bro. Get your momentum back. Great job, bro. Great start to the week. Oh, shit. The plug's up. Oh, shoot. Excuse my language. I decided, so I've been doing a lot of, the last few weeks, especially after that red week I had, I've been doing a lot more back testing and a lot more analysis on the trades I've taken in the market. And that's why I have the 15-minute chart up. I'm going to start using the 15 for more of my confirmations. It might mean I stay even more patient, but I've seen a lot of positive outcomes from consistently using the 15 from what I've seen. Damn, $4.19 on the day while at work with my phone. More than my day's pay. Thanks, Jdun. Let's go. Come on. We want 835. That's VWAP. There we go, guys. This is my final price target down here. 835. 835, baby. Let's go. My selects are cooking. Cooking. Prammy, baby. Let's go. Come on. We want 800 now for Mega Trade. Come on. Honestly, though, this should have been an even bigger trade. Looking back, I should have entered after we swept this high and had these reversal candles here. I should have taken these shorts at 950 with stops above like 980. That's definitely going in the journal too, for sure. Textbook reversal in the 5-minute, 15-minute confirmation as well. Setting up failure to go higher. That's amazing. Great job, Brawl. Hey, I want all the haters to give me my flowers today because y'all were hating heavy when I was on a losing streak 2 weeks ago. You entered at 960, or whoops. You entered at 961. Nice. Awesome entry, bro. I don't use trade copiers like that. Someone asked if I had a discount for Trade Syncer. Honestly, I've only heard horror stories from trade copiers, and I know this is like, you know that meme where they're like, say an unpopular opinion where the swords are all at the person. My thing is that I think that you should focus on one prop firm at a time. I don't think you should be trading 5 prop firms all at once. I think you should open your Tradeovate or whatever platform you're on, and you should trade one prop firm at a time. That's how I've had the most success, and that's how I've seen the other traders that I've seen consistently get payouts have the most success too. I get that it looks cool when people post their Trade Syncer or Trade Copia, whatever the hell people use these days, and you can see, oh, 20K on the day, but it's not actually 20K. You're not getting 20K in payouts. I don't know what these trade copiers are called. I don't use them. And guess what? If something screws up in your trade copier, you're hosed. They ain't going to refund you your prop firm accounts, fam. It's just like when your broker messes up. Rough couple weeks. Glad you broke the curse. Was a banger this morning. Thank you, bro. You know, I always say this, and you guys probably remember me saying this for the past 6 months, year, that I am not immune. No one is immune. You're not immune. I'm not immune. Grandma's win streak not immune. Nobody's immune to a losing streak. Like eventually, you're going to go on a streak where you're not going to win a lot of trades. You're going to go on a streak where you're going to lose some money. It's your job to just keep it small and keep your composure. Back when I first started trading, when I would have streaks like I had 2 weeks ago, I would just lose it. I'd get pissed. I'd be angry. I would start revenge trading and putting on more size, and it would lead to me digging myself a bigger hole. Versus now, I'm very focused. I understand that losing is a part of the game, and I don't allow that to get to me. Like I could lose the rest of this week, hypothetically speaking. Not going to change anything about what I do besides maybe some more back testing and adapting. Help, I'm so confused. How did we know when to jump into that trade? How did we know when to get out? Well, I say everything I'm doing on voice. And I mean this in the most respectful way. I'm not here to tell you, hey, enter exactly here and exit exactly here. I tell you guys, hey, I'm entering this trade. I like this trade here. This is where my stops are. This is where I'm taking partials. I'm taking some profit. Ultimately, after that, it's your job as a trader to decide if you want to keep your stops at normal entry, if you want to keep your stops at normal stop, at your original stop. And ultimately, too, guys, I don't want you copying me every trade. I want you to learn what I see and what I do, and learn how to spot these levels and how to spot these trades. And I'd rather you execute on your own. Like people say it as if it's a bad thing. They're like, hey, Jdun, like all people comment on my posts, like I was in Team Bowl for 2 years and learned how to trade, and I'm by myself now. And I say that's amazing. Like then I did my job. I want you to be trading on your own. I don't want you to be a signal copier. If you're trading on your own profitably and managing your risk with DOD, I did my job. I took a trade without you today. I took that first trade, DOD. That's amazing. Let's go. Yep, you're in the right place to learn, Kelsey. We've gotten Team Bull to a place there's much less noise, much less commotion, and you guys are going to be locked in. I think at the end, we were going to do it this week, but decided next week. We're shutting off low ticket signups for good. So if you're already in Team Bowl, if you're listening to this on Zoom, then nothing changes for you. But just making the community completely private unless someone joins the mentorship. Better having it small. I like having a small private community. It's nice. Much less noise. Everyone's focused. Big Zo, you know what? I'm about to just ban you from chat right now. I don't want to hear it about that Nuggets Lakers game the other night. Oh. I don't want to hear it. That game was some baby back BS. I don't want to hear a single word. How does Reeves throw that perfect pass on that free throw? Are you kidding me? Like, what? I was so mad, bro. I was like yelling at my TV. Insane. That was a big game, too. That broke the tiebreaker between the Nuggets and Lakers, too. That was a big game. We needed that bad. What do you know? We got I got a few more games this season that are big. Yep. If you guys want to join me and Team Bull, if you want to join in Team Bull, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. We'll still have free Fridays, but we are gonna close off the low ticket in the next week. We'll still have the free streams though. Y'all got me here. I like our communities we built here. Yeah, no, we'll still have our free streams. We just have we've had a low ticket. I mean, I've had low ticket Team Bowl for 5 years for the $100 a month. We're just closing that off. Like people that are already in can stay, but I'm just not going to allow new signups. All of the free live streams, and then our private community and Team Bowl, and then obviously the discipline program, the Master Mentor program. I really don't talk about that in the live streams though. All I ask from y'all in the free streams is if you're getting funded, use code JDUN. And I'll do my best to help you guys pass your challenges. Get funded and get paid, and then move to a live account. That's what I ultimately want you guys on a live account. You know, appreciate you, Big Z. I figured that would happen, dude. It's just how this market's been. It's been very supply to demand. Oh, I got to put out our Team Bowl March Madness bracket. We should do some crazy giveaways this year. March Madness ESPN. I'm going to put that out right now. Who's all going to play for your Team Bowl March Madness bracket? You guys will play? All right. Let me I'm going to make this right now actually. I'm done trading for the day. Team Bowl trading. Can anyone guess what the group password is going to be? Would like to take a guess what the group password is going to be? Boom, some money. Yep, DOD. How do you know? Lakers in 7, bro wants to get banned today. That is crazy. Team Bowl trading, aka DOD. What should the prizes be? All right, chat. I'll put it in here. I'll put it in the live here. Let me know if this works. The password is DOD. Let me know if this works, guys. Password is DOD. Does it work? All right, bet. If you want to join the March Madness pool with Team Bull, then you go to the YouTube or my Discord. Yes, we'll do a March webinar too. He doesn't talk. What are you talking about? This is gold. No, this is the NASDAQ. All right, guys, I put the link out in here. Let's see here. Let's go. Password is DOD. Got some major prizes. First place is getting a year in Team Bull and 5 funded accounts. Second place is getting 3 accounts. Third place is getting 1 account. This looks like it wants lower still unless we break above this like 936. Got that lower high, and here the 15's kind of congested. Oh, one good trade this morning. That's all it takes. Hawaii made the tournament. That's crazy. Give me Nebraska, baby. Let's see here. You don't use Top Step? No, I've gotten payouts from them, but no. Don't know. Gonzaga gonna win it all, you think? It's bold. Let's go, Tyler. Let's go. Well, I'm glad we caught that. Glad we caught that. Caught that move. Tournament challenge. Let's go, guys. Fill out your brackets too. Just passed 3 evals, copy trading on my own. Great start to the week. Let's go. That's awesome. That makes me happy. It makes me very happy. It makes me very, very happy, my friend. Oh. All right, guys. I'm going to mob off for the day. It's been about 2 hours of streaming. Hopefully you guys were able to catch that nice move with me. Get down to the price target. Choose DOD, trade smart, trade safe. And I'll see you guys. It's not today for Power Hour, but I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Gene will see you for Asia session. Appreciate you being a part of Team Bull, being a part of the DOD mission. And I'll see you guys later, okay? God bless you guys. Thank you all for being here. Hopefully I helped you take a step forward in your trading today. And let's keep on keeping on tomorrow. I don't think I got road codes. He never hit me back. He said, okay, I'll send now. Bro didn't send anything. Bro didn't send a damn thing. Yeah, well, I'll get him by tomorrow. If we have a good day, we'll celebrate with some we'll something. All right, guys. Peace. Adios, guys. God bless.